Hello everyone, I'm Anisha Jain. Today I'll be sharing a very interesting fundamental which can help you in making tons of money. It is called power of compounding, the magic mantra of stock market. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. It is believed that Einstein considered compound interest to be one of the most powerful force in the universe. Clearly, it is an important concept to understand. So let's take a closer look at it. What is compounding? Compounding is the process where the value of an investment increases because the earnings on an investment, both capital gains and interest, earn interest as time passes. As you all can see, he is wondering how can they be so successful? It's all because of the magic of compounding. Now let's have a look on the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest refers to an interest that is calculated as a percentage of the principal amount, whereas compound interest refers to an interest which is calculated as a percentage of principal and accrued interest. Principal remains constant in simple interest, but principal goes on changing during the entire borrowing period in compound interest. Growth remains uniform and interest is charged on the principal, whereas growth rate increases rapidly and interest charged on the principal plus accumulated interest in the compound interest. To understand it better, let's take an example. There are two persons, Sunny and Reena. Both have invested 1 lakh at the rate 10% per annum in simple and compound interest respectively. Can you wonder, those 1 lakh invested by the Sunny and Reena would become 3,50,000 and 10,83,470 after 25 years. Here you can notice there is a huge difference between compound interest and simple interest. So this is called the power of compound interest. As we all can see that under compound interest the amount is now 11 times, whereas under simple interest it is just 3.5 times the amount invested. Let's take another example. As you all can see the comparison of the different domains under which the 5 lakh amount is invested, we can see that after 20 years these 5 lakh would become 37 lakh 56,000 under savings account, 44 lakh 58,000 under FD, 57 lakh 73,000 under gold and 2 crore 56 lakh under equity. We can see that the amount invested in the equity has the higher returns as compared to others. This is all because of the higher returns on the equity. This is what the power of compounding, the magic mantra of stock market. So here are mantras of compounding. First, right idea. Second, start early. Third, have realistic expectation. Fourth, invest regularly. Fifth, don't churn your investment. Sixth, asset allocation. Here are some important points to remember before investing or trading in stock. First, longer your time horizon, higher will be the effect of the power of compounding. Second, you should not wait for the right time to start investing. Third, it is never early to stop investing, but you can be late. Fourth, inflation decreases the value of money over time. Fifth, prices of goods and services keep on increasing due to inflation. Sixth, in real terms, inflation also reduces the actual return you earn on your investment. Now, if you want to understand more about stocks, just follow the links given in the description box below. If you found this video to be useful, don't forget to press like and share button and feel free to write your comments in the section below.